Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience. In this video, I am going to share IBPS RRB Scale to IT Officers 3-month preparation strategy. Exam is on 29th of September and how you can best use these 3 months to prepare for this exam that we are going to discuss in this video. Today is the last day to apply for this exam. 27th of June को application forms बंद हो जाएंगे. So if you are interested, fill this form. If you are eligible, appear for this exam. This is a very good opportunity. Your exam is on 29th of September as per IBPS calendar. Coming to the eligibility criteria, for IT officer, you need a bachelor degree from recognized university in electronics, communication, computer science, information technology with minimum 50% marks. These are the desirable qualifications and 1 year post-qualification experience is mandatory. Then coming to the vacancies, there are 94 vacancies. Some banks have not yet reported the vacancies, so vacancies may increase beyond 94. At least 94 seats are available. Coming to the exam pattern, there is a single level exam. Prelims means नहीं है, single level exam है, उसके बाद interview है. There are 6 subjects in the single level exam: professional knowledge, which is IT, reasoning, financial awareness, English या हिंदी में से एक subject, computer knowledge, quantitative aptitude and data interpretation. In each of the subject there are 40 questions. English, Hindi and computer इनकी weightage half है. 40 questions 20 marks की है. There is a composite time of 2 hours 30 minutes. 1/4 negative marking is also present. This is the syllabus for reasoning. You have to practice all these areas. I have discussed this in detail in my earlier video. You can either pause the screen and take a screenshot, or you can download the study plan that is attached in the description below. There, every topic which you have to study is mentioned week wise, which is easy for you to follow. I'll show that to you in some time. These are your English topics that you need to prepare for. These are quantitative aptitude and data interpretation. These are computer knowledge topics. These are financial awareness. Now financial awareness is a vast topic. Both dynamic and static portion is present, and therefore we are starting dedicated financial awareness classes from 28th of June. The classes will be at 9 p.m. There are 12 classes specially for financial awareness. 28 June को first class है जिसमें आपको बताया जाएगा how to prepare financial awareness for RRB. Then on 2nd July, financial systems and role of banks, RBI circular, financial market, capital market and instruments, again circular part 2, regulatory bodies in India, then RBI circular part 3. You can see this schedule in detail and realize how you have to prepare for financial awareness. Coming to IT subject, these are the topics from which you can expect questions in the professional knowledge part. This is the study plan that I was talking about, IBPS RRB Scale to IT study plan. You can download this. In this you will find the eligibility criteria, exam pattern, and a week-wise study plan mentioning which topics you have to study every week. In Quant and DI, these are the topics that you have to study in week 1. Reasoning में coded blood relations, English में parts of speech, financial awareness में these 2 areas, computer knowledge, introduction to computer and strategy, and operating system and professional knowledge. तो अगर आप इसको अच्छे से follow कर ले on a weekly basis, you will be able to cover your syllabus in 3 months. With revision, you can attempt the exam. और कट ऑफ भी ऐसी कोई बहुत हाई नहीं जाती है. आप देखेंगे द मैक्सिमम कट ऑफ आउट ऑफ 200 हैज गॉन अप टू 68.75. तो अगर आप लगभग 90 के अराउंड आउट ऑफ 200 स्कोर करेंगे, दैट इज अ सेफ स्कोर फॉर यू. The single level exam has 80% weightage and the interview has 20% weightage. So the more you score in single level exam, the more are the chances for you to become IBPS RRB IT officer. So you can check the recruitment. Today is the last day to apply. You can apply. If you need any form of guidance, preparation material, you can check out our IBPS RRB Scale to IT Officer online course, in which you will find live classes, practice tests, study material PDF, shortcuts videos, interview guidance. Everything is present in a single course. And as I was telling you, for financial awareness, we are starting dedicated classes from June 28, 2024, in which you will know the correct way to approach the financial awareness part. So if you're interested, you can reach out to us on this number. You can check the demo of our course. This is how our course is structured so that you can easily follow, easily prepare for every subject, and easily cover the syllabus to crack this exam. Enroll with iExamB and make your preparation 50% faster. That's all for now. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned. Thank you.